Hey guys, my name is Rudy, and for some reason this month there's no shortage of content. So this is an AC blower. We're going to do this backwards. I'm going to show the reassembly, which cover everything you need to know on replacing your blower motor in your air conditioning. Okay, if you need to take the centerpiece guy out, this is the guy that spins. I'm going to let this thing dry out here. I want to talk about how this is set up over here to get this thing out. Pay attention to which side your motor sits on, and we'll install that here in a little bit. Put that back in. But here's how your blower, typical blower, looks like. If you need to take the centerpiece out, there are, on mine, and again, I am not a licensed AC tech. I'm a do-it-yourselfer. You remove these three screws here, and these three screws as well. And you fold this in. This is pretty much a little, very tin is what you're working with, so I would definitely wear gloves, which I have over here on the table. This guy here sits into these little holes right here. Make sure everything stays locked in. And what we're going to do is, so I took it out, I cleaned it, did what I need to do, put it back in, rinsed out with water and some cleaner. And now we're going to go ahead and put this thing back together. So, folded this up. These are the threads here that hold this thing in, just like the 3 tin screws on each side. We'll get those buckled in, and then we're going to install the motor. It's actually something that was very intimidating here. That's why I didn't want to do a video right off the bat. I wanted to see if I could actually get this going. And we'll continue the reassembly of the AC. Okay guys, we're continuing where we left off. Alright, so when you're putting this thing together, it's very important to keep in mind where your holes were. This is where this thing is mounted. The motor's coming from the left, and it's coming in onto the right. You put this on there, you'll reverse the airflow, make it backwards. Down here is a little nut there at the bottom, a little bolt. You can actually, there's a flat piece on this here. There's several of them. Actually, there's one right here. I don't know if you can see it on the camera. You want to make sure that aligns. So what we're going to do is we're going to flip this thing over. We're going to install the motor, line this up, and then we're going to align that flat side to this, tighten everything down, and we'll continue with the reassembly. So here's how that works. So we're going to roll this thing over on its side. Everything is tin. Be careful not to bend anything. You would think it'd have a nice groove. It really doesn't. So then here, there's 3 bolts that hold it in. Each one of them has a washer. Each unit is a little different. And I just realized, yeah, this will work. So we'll take the motor, we'll drop it in. There we go. And we're going to bolt it in over here. For now, I'm just going to put one in. And I'm going to adjust. As soon as I get this thing in here, actually I'll do 2. There we go. Actually, I'll just hand tighten all 3. Number 2. Like I said, no shortage of content. Being a homeowner is amazing and awesome and highly recommended, but the more crap you know how to do yourself, the better. Now, I'm not crazy, so if it's something that I don't feel comfortable doing, this is one of the ones I wanted to double check. Don't do it. Get a qualified AC tech, repairman, whatever you need to do. So now we have this guy. We're going to flip this thing back over. And going to check where that flat bar is. And we're going to try to rotate it. Might have to hold this thing with pliers. And I'm not going to blare with you guys anymore than I already have on this video. So I'm going to line up that guy with this guy, tighten everything down, put the bolts in, and we'll talk about the next part, installation. Alright, so we're going to continue the installation over here. Make sure that you got this breaker tripped. Outside, I went ahead and flipped the AC breaker too. If in doubt, click all of your AC breakers, air conditioning breakers that is, so you can get this in safely. There really wasn't much connections. Mine was actually relatively easy. 2 sets down here on the bottom. I labeled them A and B, but there's also a different amount of pins here. Mine was easy. If I had to go back here in this nightmare back here, I'd be like, nope, I'm not doing this crap, or even this guy here. So the edge here slides in to those grooves right there, and they're fixed by 2 small screws, one right here, one right there. After that, you put in your cover, which is right here. And while we're talking about the I'm going to wipe this down too, we want to check your work here on this. So we went ahead and tightened down that nut down there, and we want to make sure it's really sharp here. Give this a good spin. There should not be any rubbing, just that by moving back and forth and locking down in place using that one nut there. Alright guys, wish me luck. I'm going to put this thing in. Now we'll take some vacuum and clean the rest of this. Let's see here. It's 9 o'clock. I'm not doing too bad today. Alright, so to cap review real fast here. The connectors here on this one are really simple. There's a 4-plug and 5-plug. Everything matches over here. These guys got put back in. I don't know if you can see that. I'm making it worse with the light. Got these guys in here. Everything else is connected. So the only thing left actually is to put the cover on. So let's see if we can do this one-handed. So I'm going to work the cover in. We're going to try this thing out though. Why not? See how we did. Back here is coils. Those need to be vacuumed and cleaned. And for me, below that is a horribly set up filter, but that's another story for another day. Turning it on. Waiting on Google here. This panel's always had an E on here. I think it's just an older system. A whole lot of people attaching it over the years. I think it's probably one of the originals. Alright, let's see what we got here. We're still booting. I do recommend these smart thermostats. Look at that. I feel the breeze. We have AC again. I'm going to put the cover back on. That's nothing more than 6 screws over here. I'm Rudy from my channel, Rudy World, doing stuff and things. So if this helped, please like and subscribe, comment below. I like doing stuff like this to save owners some money and frustrations that we run across from time